I am excited to share that Business Insights 360 project, and this project most important information shown in the footer, the refresh date, values are dollars and millions, and the latest sales date, and some other important information shown in the info page. And now we see the finance view. Here we see different visual, and every visual are dynamically changed based on the filters. And this, here we see the different filters are shown: region, market, customer, segment, category, product, fiscal year, quarter, year to date, year to go, last year, target. We check this visual applying the different filters. Okay, now we check the sales view. The sales view are the performance metrics: product performance, unit economics, customer performance. This page is the all visual are dynamically changed by these filters, and this is the dynamic slicer, and it's dynamically changed. Okay, and customer performance, here some customer are the red mark here, because of which customer do not meet the target, then this customer are red mark here. Okay, and here GM percentage are the descending order, and it's clearly shown by the colors. Okay, and here unit economics are the do not start. Now we check the marketing view. The marketing view: product performance, region, market, customer performance, and performance metrics, unit economics. Here region, market, and customer performance based on the filters are the dynamically changed. We see North America for Canada, USA. Here this value are shown here, and if we select other fiscal year, changed. Okay, and we see the gross margin percentage. Here we see the gross margin. If we see the net profit percentage, show NP percentage. So click here, and we see the net profit percentage. Okay, now we are check other filters. Okay, clear the filters. Now we see the supply chain view. The supply chain view, we see different visual net sales performance over time, top and bottom products and customer by net sales, forecast accuracy, net error, and the forecast accuracy. The forecast accuracy is the most important information the supply chain department. Okay, we see for different filters, and we see different visual. Okay, this is the totally dynamic. Okay, now we clear the filters. Okay, now okay, okay. Now we check the executive view. The executive view, we see different most important KPIs: net sales performance, gross margin percentage, net profit percentage, forecast accuracy percentage. And here we see the BM for benchmark, and revenue by division, revenue by channel, and market share. This is the market share view. Top 5 customer by revenue, top 5 product by revenue, and this is dynamically changed by the filters. And which customer our GM percentage is down, then we see the symbol. Okay, so we check different filters. Okay, okay, okay. Clear the filters versus target. Okay. Every visual are dynamically changed. Here we see the ethnic market share. The ethnic market share are the grow. Okay, it is a market share summary. Now we see the others view. Others view, this view are this view are requested from Mr. Harwali. Here we see the four metrics, four metrics, and these two metrics, these two metrics are the top and bottom 5 products depend on growth margin, gross margin percentage, gross margin percentage growth. Here, this is the overall, and this view are the top 5 products gross margin percentage by the market. If Here we see the market filters. If we see different market, if we selected any country or market, then it's these two visual are dynamically changed, and these two visual do not affect it for these filters. So we check this. Okay, this is we see we say we select the market of Bangladesh, then we sense we see the sense these two views, and here we see the Bangladesh. And if we again select others country or market for India, it's changed, and its top and bottom five products are shown GM percentage growth. Okay, and this is the descending order. Okay, now we go to home, and it is the overall project summary. Okay, thank you everyone.